review of this Proctor Silex coffee maker. So the coffee maker has a reservoir, and right now it's going to be difficult to see, but I have it filled up the full 40 ounces in the reservoir, and that's in addition to what has dropped down into what seems to be a heat chamber, which is down here. So when you go to brew coffee, you have your choice between two different baskets that you put in here. So this is the one for K-cups, and this is a very generously sized one that you can put grinds in. So I'm going to use the K-cup bucket, and you just simply drop it in here, and it just fits in any old way. And then you drop in your K-cup. And a few things to make note of here. The height of this machine with the top open, a little bit shy of 20 inches. And then when you go to close it, I'm going to point out that closing this does require a little bit of force, and there's no leveraged hinge here. So you do really have to give it a pretty good push there to close it. And it feels a little bit crunchy. When it's fully closed, you need a little bit shy of 13 inches to clear the counter. The little tray here to hold the cup, I have it on the higher position. So I'm just going to put a cup on it, and I'm going to begin this. So the coffee maker only has one button on it on the side here, which is for brew. When I press that, I'm going to be pausing this video in a moment, but it takes a very, very long time because the water's not being preheated. So I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to come back after it finished brews the coffee. Okay, finished brewing. That was 3.5 minutes from when I paused the video. So this is very, very slow. I've been letting it sit for about 30 seconds. Now, inside the lid, it gives us a warning not to open this or to try to brew another cup for 2 solid minutes. But I'm going to show you what happens if you do open this in quicker. It's only been about 30 seconds since it finished brewing that cup. Okay, and here's the warning that tells you to wait at least 2 minutes before between brewing cycles. So it was 3.5 minutes to make the first cup. It's going to have to wait 2 minutes for the next cup, and then it's going to be over 3 minutes for the next cup. So it does go extremely, extremely slowly. I'm going to put more comments in my written review, but I've been using it for a couple days, and it actually does make a very good tasting cup of coffee. You can see that there's it might be a little bit difficult to show, but there are a couple little grinds here, but I don't fault the machine for that. You get that no matter what you do. And the other thing that I hadn't shown is this little tray right here I have for the regular coffee size, but you can actually drop this down, and I'm doing this with one hand, otherwise it would be very easy. You can kind of drop it in there if you have large coffee cups. I'll put more comments in my written review.
Very happy with our coffee maker, but I want to show you why they say to wait for 2 minutes. Ready? That's extremely hot water, so you should wait the 2 minutes, and then the button will go off on this side. It won't be hot anymore. But this is a great coffee maker because you can clean it so easy. But remember, don't open that. Love it.